YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And this is a continuation of last class. In last class, we have discussed about Cognizant coding in cluster 1, which is Java programming. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the Cognizant coding round in cluster 2, which is Python. So, this is my own experience because uh, I have chosen cluster 2 in my Cognizant attempt. So, and I'm ready to work with that too with Cognizant. I'm nearer to my joining date. So, let's get into the questions from cluster 2. Okay. So, the first question is find missing number in an array. You need to find the missing number in an array means, see, given an array containing n minus 1 numbers from 1 to n. Find the missing number. See, in an array we are given uh, n minus 1 numbers means the elements in the array are n minus 1 and the elements are from 1 to n. We don't know the n value, that will be the uh, yes, that will be the input from the user. The array and n value both will be the input from the user, and we need to find the missing number. That means, see, when you see this example you will be getting a clear understanding. The input given is 1 2 4 5. This is the array and we need to find out the missing number from this, and we have given the n value as 5. And when you see when you look at this condition and the value of n here, we'll be directly knowing the elements in this array will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, this will be the array. Okay, but when you see here in the input there is only 1 2 4 5. 3 is missing, so the output should be 3, the missing value, right? But this cannot be done like this. We should do it with the help of program. So let's go into the program. Yes, and first we are just creating a function named find missing, right? This will be the name of the variable. You can replace it with any other, and arr is also the um, name of variable, which is array. I'm considering array as arr, and n will be the number of elements in that array. And these are the two parameters I'm using here. So inside the function we have again declared a variable total, and total is equals to means, total means that is the sum, right? Total means um the sum of n elements, the sum of n numbers. Okay, from 1 to n they have said that from 1 to n, right? So the sum of numbers from 1 to n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will be the sum of the elements of 1 to n. Okay, so first we are calculating the total means the sum of the numbers from 1 to n, and then we are returning means we are calculating the missing element. How we will be calculating the missing element? This will be the total um, sum of numbers from 1 to n, and we need to deduct the sum of elements in array. Then we will be getting the missing element, right? Yes, total minus sum of array. Then we will be getting what is the uh, what is the total value. Okay, yeah, missing element would be total. What is the total from 1 to 5? What is the addition of these elements from 1 to 5, it is 3, 3, 6, and 15. It is 15, and minus, we are deducting the addition of this. So when you see this, um, definitely it is 3, 3 plus 4 will be 7, 7 plus 5 will be 13, 12, 12, right? Yes. So 15 minus 12 will be 3, and the missing number in this uh, was 3, right? So missing number in this array is 3. 1, 2, 4, 5 are present and 3 is missing. So we are returning that number which is missing. That is total minus, if you do total minus sum of array, then we are getting the missing number. So directly we are printing find missing. Uh, these are the arguments here. This array and the number which is a value of n. These are the uh, arguments, and by this line we are directly returning total minus sum of array which is a missing number. Okay, I think you have understood this problem very easily. So let's go to the next question. The next question is reverse an array. Okay, the second question is reverse an array means when the input is given as 1 2 3 4 5, then the output should be as 5 4 3 2 1. Means the elements should be reversed. The last element should be the first one, and the first one need to be last one, like that. So the last element should be first one, and the last second would be first second from the first, and like that. So that should be the order. And how to do that? See, this is a very short program which is of 3 lines itself. Okay, yes, first we are defining the function reverse array, and inside that we are having only one parameter, that is array, which is given by the user. And inside that we are having return array, and this is nothing but I'll directly very easily explain you this. Yeah, see, when this should be the array name. Oh, let me change the color. Not equals to here, I'm just doing that. So inside this, first we need to uh, write the starting starting index. This will be used for slicing of arrays, and next we'll be having ending index, and next we will be having the step. This means, I will say you very clearly, this is the syntax of how we wrote this. So after this, how it will be used, how the slicing will be used, how the slicing will be done actually. So this would be the array name. Oh, ARR, right? Yes, array name. And here, see, if we want the elements from, oh no, yes, if we want the elements from 1 2 and 3, only from 1 2 3, and we need to slice it off, slice the remaining part, right? So the starting index would be 0, and the ending one will be, see, the starting at index is 0. From 0 to 0 1 2, we need up to a third element, right? And where the index will be 2, but we need to put 3 here. So there is no step, because we only need that slicing. Then we'll be getting the output as 1 comma 2 comma 3. This will be the output. And if you don't if you Want clear cut explanation, then go and check it out the list slicing class in my YouTube channel where I have posted it. So there you will be getting a clear cut understanding about this. Okay. Yes, then now how to use step. Step is nothing but if we need, see, from 0 to the ending. What is a index, ending index? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we need to use a last index. So, but we need alternative numbers like, see, 1. If we need 1, then we need 3, and then we need 5, like that. So for that we need to do divide 2. 2 will be the step. That means it will be stepping 2 steps. See, first 1 will be printed, and then it will take 2 steps, and 3 will be printed and takes 2 steps, and 5 will be printed. So the output will be getting is 1, 3, and 5, right? So likewise, if we want the reverse of this, then we need 0 comma 5 is to 0 is to 5 is to minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 means, see, 1 means from front to back. Minus 1 means from back to front. So that we'll be getting the output as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is um this is a mandatory output for our question, right? Yes. So that itself we have used here. See, we need everything from starting to ending. So there is no need to mention the starting index and ending index. It will be defaultly taking the starting and ending. There is no need to put it again. Okay. Yes. So like this, we will be getting the reverse of an array. I hope you understood this question also. This is super easy. And let's go to the next one, which is find second largest element, right? uh, See, we'll be giving a input as an array, and it will be jumbled, like it won't be in particular order like ascending or descending, and we need to find the second largest element, not the largest element. Second largest means first largest, and um when you write them in descending order, the second number will be the second largest element. So like that you are going to find it. So let's see what is the approach for this question. So def, we are again creating a function called second largest, and inside the parameter is array arr, and inside the function we are creating another variable called unique, and we are just taking the unique numbers from the array, because we'll be having if any of the elements are um repeated, then the final output will be gone wrong. So first we need to check whether there are any repeated elements or not. For that you need to take set, because from set, in set, no duplicate elements are allowed. So when you enter any element uh, repeatedly by any mistake or by any chance, then it will be deleting the next occurrences, means it will only take the first one and will be deleting all the rest of the repeated characters or numbers. Okay, so that's why here we are using set. And when you use set, that array will be becoming as a set, and after converting into set we are again converting it into list. So we'll be um, getting the array in the form of array itself. After that, after creating the unique, and we are just finding, see, oh, okay. If length of unique is less than 2, return none. That means, see, if the user just given only one element or zero elements in array, then we do not have any second largest, right? So if the length of that array is less than 2, then you need to return it as none, right? If not, means if this is not satisfied, means if unique is not less than 2, then you need to sort it. When you sort it, it will be as uh, yes, it will be in ascending order. Sorting is nothing but ascending order. You need to remember, when you sort anything, it will be in the ascending order itself. Okay. Yes. When you sort, the array will be becoming as ascending order. Then in that, when you convert this array into ascending order, we'll be getting, yeah, we'll be getting uh, 1, right? 1 is the very least element here, and after that 10. 1 is repeated twice, so one of the 1 will be removed, and 1 10. After that 12 we are having, and 34 and 35. Yes, this is the ascending order. And after this, see here, as I have said you, -1 means reverse and -2 like that. So here we do not have any slicing, but we only have -2. That means the element from last second. -1 is nothing but the last element. 1 is nothing but this one, and 0 is nothing but the first one, and -1, then we'll be going to the last, right? -1 will be this, and -2 will be this. So in this one, it's again, yeah, and in this one, -1 is this, and -2 is this. So 34 is the final answer here. The second largest element in the given array is is 34. Okay. Question number 3 is also completed. And let's go to the next question, which is question number 4. This is also a small program. In Python, you'll be having small programs. It is not like Java. So it will be very easy for you to solve any question. If you just know the logic, you can easily attempt that question. Okay, just try it. So the next question is, sort an array of zeros, ones, and twos. That means, see, the user will be given an array with only 0, 1, 2 as elements. See, like this, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, like that. Or you may have some other also, like 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, like this. You may have anything, any array with elements 0, 1, and 2, and you need to sort it. Very easy, right? Uh, so first we are creating an array. Sorry, first we are creating a function, and with a parameter arr, and inside that we are directly taking arr dot sort. Then you are returning that array. So uh, as I have said you, by sort we will be getting the array in ascending order. Same like that, we are going to get the output as 001122. But in my case, we are going to get 00112222, right? Same like that. This question is also completed. I hope you understood this too. And let's go to the next one. Find duplicate elements in an array. We are going to find the duplicate elements in array. Uh, which are the repeated ones? See, this is a example, and this is a input given from the user. And here, when you see when you see for one, yes, one is a duplicate element, and two. Uh, oh shit, it's gone somewhere. Yes, two is also duplicate element, as you can see here, and three. Three, we do not have any three here, so three is not a duplicate. And two, we have already checked it. Four, we are having 4 is non-duplicate and 5 is also non-duplicate. So all the duplicate elements here in this array are 1 and 2, right? So 1 and 2 should be the output. So first let's try this question. Okay. We are creating a function called find duplicates, and inside we are having parameters, array as parameter, and we are having seen and duplicates are the variables we are creating. Those both are sets, both are set variables. We have created seen and duplicates, both sets. So after that, we are taking the for loop, and we are just iterating through all the elements in the array. Okay. So while iterating, we'll be getting the first element in first iteration. So if that num in seen is a set, right? So if is that one in scene? No, because scene is empty. That set, scene set is empty, and duplicates is also empty now. So if num in scene, no, right? Then this will be skipped. And next we are having else. So scene dot add num. That means this one will be added to scene. Okay, let me just explain you like this. At first, okay, iteration 1, we are having seen as uh instead of this flower braces, I'm just using the braces. Okay, I'm just using this. Just consider it as a set, because the set will not be having this. Okay, let me use this itself. Scene is okay, yes, scene will be added, right? When you see this is not at all this. Yes, this is skipped because in scene there is nothing. Okay, before this, scene is empty and duplicate is also empty, right? After this iteration 1. Okay, in iteration 1, after iteration 1, we are having, see, duplicates will not be added anything, but in scene, that one will be added. Scene dot add of num. That means in scene, one will be added. Okay. Okay, then we are going again for the starting of a loop, and this will be the iteration 2. Okay, now the second element is 2. So we are checking 2. If 2 in num, if 2 in scene, no, right? In scene there is no 2. So this is skipped, and else was again there. And so scene dot add of num. That means we are going to add 2 to scene. Okay, this is a iteration 2, and it is again gone to the first of for loop. So when we are, see, doing it, the third element is 3. So for 3 in a array, and if 3 in scene, No, 3 is not in scene. So this is again skipped and we are going to else. So scene dot add num. That means we are again adding 3 into this. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Right? Yes. And next we are going to iteration 4. So in iteration 4 we are having number 2. So when you see if num in scene, yes, we are having number 2. So oh, all here we are having duplicate as 0. So here in this we are having scene as same and duplicate was added with 2. Okay? Yes. Duplicates dot add num. That means 2 is added to duplicates. So else will be skipped. And next we are going to iteration 5. And in iteration 5 we are having 1, 2. Oh, these all are completed, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are having 5. So in iteration 5 we are having 4. And when you see if 4 in scene, no, in scene there is no 4. So you need to add 4 to scene, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And let's go to the next iteration. It's so much easy. And 4 is also done. And next we are having 5. Um, let's check 5. So if 5 in scene, when you see scene, there is no 5 present. So this will be skipped and else part will be executed. That means scene dot add of num. In scene itself, we are going to add 5 also. 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 and 5. Right? So 5 is also done. Right? And next we are having 1. This is the last one, which is iteration 7. Oh, we are having 7 numbers, right? So iteration 7. So the seventh element is 1. And when you see here inside the for loop, if 1 in scene, is 1 in scene? Yes. The 1 is in scene. So duplicates dot add 1 in duplicates. So that will become 2 comma 1. When you sort it, we'll be getting 1 comma 2. Very easy, we got the answer now. Now after this, see the duplicates means the repeated ones um, added to the duplicates array. That's not array, that is set. But here see, we are converting that set into duplicates list, right? And finally we are returning that list. That's it about this question also. We have got it. Okay, I think you have easily got it. And let's go to the next question. The question number 6. Find intersection of two arrays. Um, oh, means intersection is nothing but the common things in uh, both the arrays, the common elements which are present in both the arrays. See the example. If you see, you will be getting an idea. The user have given two inputs, two input arrays, which are 1 2 3 4 and 3 4 5 6. What are the common here? 3 and 4 are the common in both, and 1 2 5 6 does not match. So 3 comma 4 should be the output because those both are the common in both the arrays, right? I hope you understood. And now uh, okay, we have created a function called intersection, and the parameters are array 1 and array 2, because we are having two arrays here as inputs, and we are directly returning list of set of array and set of array 2. Let me explain this one for you. That is like, you know, and or all those, right? So with that we'll be getting that. So list of means first, okay, let's remove it. And set of arr means array 1 will be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is set of uh, array 1, and the set of array 2 is 3 4 5 and 6. So when you do and for this, we are getting, see, and is nothing but what is a intersection of, means what is common in both the arrays or both of variables. Okay, so what is a common in both the variables? It is 3 comma 4. So this will be the answer. And when you do, oh yeah, when you do this, you will be getting the answer as 3 comma 4. Then after this we need to convert it into list, because we need to print the intersection is also as list. So list of 3 comma 4, right? So now this will be giving you the output as in the form of list. So this will be your output. Okay, right? That's all about this question. And let's go into the next question, which is the last question. Okay, we are having 7 questions in cluster 2, because it is very easy cluster. Those who are selected for cluster 2 will be luckiest, because it is easy. We'll be getting some short questions and some medium level questions. There won't be any hard questions, and hard questions will be also easy with Python. And the seventh question is rotate array by k positions. That means rotating the array. See, rotating array is nothing but, see, k is nothing but 2. So here we are rotating the array as, and when you see here, um, see, when you rotate it by 2 positions, then you will be getting the output as this. Okay. So how we'll be doing that? First, we are creating a function named rotate array, and here we are having the two parameters, as one is the array and one is the value of k, by which by how many positions we are going to rotate the array. So first of all, we need to write this line, because if the length of k is um, okay, if the length of k is greater than the length of array, see, for this case it is 5 and 2, but if it is 5 and 10, what we'll be doing? So for that case, we are just writing this line where k equals to k percent length of array. That means we'll be getting again, see, let me consider this. See, if we have length of a array as some 5 itself, and the value of k as 10, then we need to only rotate by only 5 itself, because see, those 5 rotations are again gives you the same array as previous, and those 5 rotations should be done extra. So for that case we are going to do this one in order to make k smaller than the length of array. After becoming small, then we are using that k value to get the correct output. So for that case we are going to return array of minus k is to the end, minus k to end. That means minus k is nothing but minus 2, right? What is minus 2 here? 4. From 4 you will be getting up to last. So in this one you will be getting 4 comma 5, and for this one it is from uh, front to minus k. That means see this one. So this will be the answer for this. So when you add both of them you will be getting 4 5 1 2 3, right? Yes, this is the output and approach of the program for question number 7, which is rotate array by k positions. So that's all for today. If you are able to solve these 7 questions, then you can easily able to solve the questions which you are facing in your test. So just practice these questions, and just there is no need to practice, just understand this very well. And all the best for your exams. So cluster 3 will be also done by today evening. So all the best for your exams, and keep studying, use all the resources, and in the description box I have given the Telegram group link. Just go there and check it out. I am providing the job application links, then where you can directly apply to the jobs which are upcoming. So that's all for today's class. Let's meet in the next class with cluster 3. Okay. Thank you, and like this video if you like the content I'm providing, and share with your friends so that I'll be getting motivated with the views, with the likes, and with the comments. Uh, just comment me down what you feel about this video. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. That's all.